Many of you have been getting banned from Facebook or getting restricted from Facebook because of you don't like you're not doing these things I'm about to show you. Now watch this video to the end. Note this video is for educational purpose only. Now visit your Facebook. I'm not using you're not going to be using the Facebook main app. Understand? You guys use Brave browser to log in your Facebook and fill in these things. But I'm just going to show you here for like clear explanation because some people they would like to use their normal Facebook. So now go to your Facebook profile, go to the settings. You're going to go to the settings. So you visit your Facebook account. You go to the settings. So you want to go to settings. You go to menu. Once you go to the menu, you're going to go to settings and privacy. Now click on settings. So now you see something like this. If you're seeing something like this, then you're on the right page. Then just click on this personal details, any one of them, and they're going to carry you and go where they're going to carry and come to this page like this. You understand? Then you have to click on information and permission. Okay, no, yeah, click on password and security. Now activate two-factor authenticator. She get most times they do ban your account because of this two-factor authenticator, and activate this login alert. She get me. So now you go back. Then so you go to this particular page here. Then click on personal details. So I'm blurring some kind of sensitive information. So you're just going to see something like this in personal details. Then click on identity confirmation. You get me? So now that identity confirmation, now you have to upload your ID and everything. So now you upload your valid ID. So now you upload your valid ID and click on protect your account. Then you enter your password and fill in the rest of the details. I'll fill in the rest of the details. I hope this video will help some of you. So do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button because I'll be dropping more tutorial like this. If you're not seeing this, click the link on my bio to join my WhatsApp channel.